This is Motorola Edge 30 Ultra smartphone, and today we would like to show how you can set Opera as your default browser on this device. So first of all, launch the settings. In the settings you want to enter the apps category. Next, go for the default app section, browser app, and in here simply select Opera, therefore setting it as your default app for browsing. There is also the second way to do that directly from the Opera application itself. So let's launch it. Here we want to, go for the settings. In the settings, scroll the page down for a little bit until you'll find the default browser section, which you want to tap on. Next, click on Next, select Opera and choose to set it as default option. And that will also effectively mean that you have successfully set Opera as your default app for browsing on this device. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.